Preparing quarterly payroll tax returns doesn't have to be time-consuming. With TaxBandits, you can complete, review, and electronically file Form 941 from one secure platform, while built-in validations help you catch issues before filing. From the Payroll Forms menu, open your 94X dashboard and select Start New Form. Under 94X Forms Quarterly, choose Form 941 from the Manual Entries section. Next, select the employer from your address book and click Save and Continue. Choose the filing period, Quarter 2 of 2026, and click Start Filing. Before entering your return, review the filing requirements, acknowledge the consent statement, and select Proceed to Filing. Once you've started the return, TaxBandits walks you through Form 941 one section at a time. Begin by confirming the employer information, including the EIN, business name, address, and the quarter you're filing. If you're preparing a zero return because no wages were paid during the quarter, simply select the zero reporting option. Next, complete Part 1, where you'll report your quarterly payroll information. Enter the number of employees, total wages, tips and other compensation, and the federal income tax withheld during the quarter. TaxBandits also displays information from the previous quarter when available, making it easier to compare values and identify any significant changes before filing. Continue through the remaining tax calculations by entering taxable Social Security wages, taxable tips, Medicare wages, additional Medicare tax wages, and any applicable adjustments. TaxBandits automatically performs the required calculations as you complete each section, helping reduce manual calculations and improve accuracy. If you're eligible for payroll tax credits or other adjustments, simply enter the appropriate amounts. The form automatically updates your total taxes, deposits, balance due, or overpayment as information is entered. Next, complete Part 2 by selecting your federal tax deposit schedule. If you're a monthly scheduled depositor, enter your tax liability for each month in the quarter. TaxBandits automatically totals the quarterly liability to ensure it matches your reported taxes. If you're a semi-weekly depositor, simply select that option. You'll be prompted to complete Schedule B later in the filing process. In Part 3, answer any questions that apply to your business, such as whether the business closed during the quarter or if you're filing as a seasonal employer. If a question doesn't apply, you can leave it blank. In Part 4, indicate whether you'd like to authorize a third-party designee to discuss this return with the IRS. If you select yes, enter the designee's name, phone number, and 5-digit PIN. Finally, complete Part 5 by reviewing the signature information. Enter the authorized signer's name, title, and daytime phone number. If you're preparing the return on behalf of your client, your preparer information and PTIN will also appear here for review. After reviewing each section, click Save and Continue to move to the Form 941 summary. This page provides a complete overview of your quarterly filing, including reported tax amounts, deposits made, balances due, or overpayments. Take a moment to review the information and confirm everything is accurate before continuing. The next step is obtaining the required filing authorization. TaxBandits uses Form 8453 EMP to collect the taxpayer's electronic signature. Review the authorization form, then select Send e-sign request. Enter the taxpayer's email address, and TaxBandits will securely deliver the signature request. The taxpayer will verify their taxpayer identification number, review the authorization, and electronically sign Form 8453 EMP. Once the taxpayer's signature has been received, review the completed authorization and add your own electronic signature as the authorized transmitter or preparer. Before checkout, TaxBandits gives you the option to choose the filing package that best fits your client's needs. You can purchase filing for the current quarter only, or select a bundle that covers all 4 quarterly Form 941 filings for the year. Choose the option that works best, then click Continue. To finalize your order, click Complete Filing, then review the credit card usage authorization. Confirm that you're authorized to use the payment method provided and authorize TaxBandits to process the transaction. Then click Pay and Transmit. Once payment has been successfully processed, TaxBandits immediately submits your Form 941 for transmission to the IRS. You'll receive confirmation that your filing has been completed successfully. TaxBandits simplifies the entire Form 941 filing process. Log into your TaxBandits account to get started with your next Form 941 filing. If you have any questions or need assistance along the way, our support team is always here to help.